Are you trying to find a new way to earn money without having to pay for anything? Did you know that there are like a lot of images online that you can get and own for free and also that you can sell? Now, photos and pictures from literally all over the world, you can easily sell to make money for yourself online. Don't worry, you don't have to be a very expert photographer. You don't need any skills or experience, and we are 100% sure that you can very much do this on your own. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now, first thing I want you to do is go on to Google Images, and then you're going to search some photos. Now, it could be anything like mountains, animals, and even people. Now, we're 100% sure that you guys know that we can't just take any of the photos and own them as our own because it's going to get taken down because of copyright. Now, you can actually see here where it says that the image can be subject to copyright. So if it is subject to copyright, can't use it. However, there is a way that you can do this, and it's called public domain. This means that there are images here that gets released to the public and they're given freedom so that they can use it however they would like. Now, we're sure that you're wondering how it becomes a part of the public domain. There are actually three ways that this can happen. One is when the image is assigned to the public domain through a CCZ, or a Creative Commons Zero license, or similar release. This can also happen when the image is not copyrightable or when the copyright for the image has expired. Now, another way or example is when the owner or artist passes away. Some of the images produced by them part of the public domain. If you come over to Wikipedia and look up Leonardo da Vinci, you'll see that his images are part of the public domain. People can do whatever they want with his images. They can reproduce them, create prints out of them, post them again, or a lot more. And to start off this method, we want you to go to Google and then search famous painters. So this is going to give you results of Van Gogh, Da Vinci, Bernini, Picasso, and a lot more. And you can actually just look through all of the results, look at the different images that are available, and after, you are going to be sharing a website with you guys. And this is the website where you can get images for free, and it all belongs to public domain. Now, the website that we're going to be talking about is called freeimages.com. This gives us a lot of stock photos, art, and vector images. The greatest part about this is that they're absolutely free, and there are a lot of categories and different niches and stuff like that. If you click on the list, drop-down list beside the search field, you're going to see that you can actually choose between stock, vector, black and white, fine art, illustrations, and a lot more. But for today's video, as an example, we are going to choose mountains. And these results, they include recent images and photos that date back from like a long time ago. As you can see, a lot of these images, they look a bit low quality and pixelated. Don't worry, because we're going to show you again how you can enhance these photos so you can get even more money. So after, we are also going to share with you a website where you are going to sell the images and earn the money online. So the other website we're going to be talking about, which is another source of free images, is called rawpixel.com. You can look up for specific artists here. Now, we want you to remember though that you have to make sure to click on the public domain so that the results that will come out are the ones that you can use however you want. Just download images for free here as finally, and we are going to be showing you how to download images and also enhance them, and then you can sell them on another platform. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. So obviously the better the image quality, the higher the earning potential. We're also going to be sharing a tip with you, a bonus tip, so you can get all of that done, including the shipping and also how you can make thousands of dollars every single day. Now we want you to go back to any of the 2 websites that we've shared with you, and let's just look up any type of image. Just try looking up ocean, and then we want you to select a photo that you think looks like the best, and then you're gonna click on the download option right here. Download this in any size that you want. As soon as you've downloaded your chosen image, let's now proceed to making it better, make it look better and higher quality. To be able to enhance the images, we want you to head over to photofilters.com. This is a free website that's going to help you enhance, sharpen your images. This is going to help your images look better and desirable and attractive, which again is going to help you earn more. Now, this is actually very easy, and the part of the process is going to take you less than a minute. Just click on File over here on the upper left corner of your screen. Click on Open. Select the image you want to edit and enhance. Then it's going to open up the image you downloaded on the site itself. Then we're only going to be clicking on 2 things, okay? First, we're going to click on autocorrect, and as soon as you've clicked on that, you're going to see that the photo already looks a bit better. And if it doesn't look the best in your opinion, you're going to select on autocorrect too. So it really depends on your preferences. After that, you're going to click on blur/sharpen. Just drag the circle to control of how much you want to sharpen the image. It's really going to emphasize lines and strokes present in the image. If you're happy with how it looks, click on apply, and you can actually explore the website more in your own if you want to find out which combinations you like better. But for now, you can save your image and move on to our next website. Now, we are going to be showing you a few websites where you can sell your photos on. First, we have Redbubble. It is a print-on-demand service where you can overlay your images on all types of products like garments, posters, phone cases, stickers, and a lot more. If you come to Redbubble, you can actually type in posters, and you're going to be able to see different types of posters that are being sold. If you scroll a little lower, you're going to see all of those different images on posters that people are selling on the website. You can sell your images for at least $15 to $20, or any amount that you would like. You can sell all of your enhanced images on the website, and you have full control over pricing, so it really is up to you how you want to do it. Then you are going to our second website. It's called Etsy, and it's another amazing website where small business owners can sell their products. You can find anything and everything on here, from toy car models to stickers to craft kits, literally everything. You can also see that a lot of products here are similar to those that we've seen on Redbubble. So basically they're the same, and this is just another website where you can sell, and it's going to add to your income, right? So that's what you want to do. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. We have another one, and it's called printful.com. And the website, it actually allows you to create and sell custom products online, just like the 2 others. Of course, we have to sign up, create an account for absolutely free. The website is gonna let you make it your own, click on integrations tab, and you can integrate your images onto e-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, and a lot more. Basically, you can provide an image, and these people can make the item for you to sell it on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Wish, and Store Envy. They are going to create the items for you and even ship them to your buyers. Isn't that amazing and such a great way to make money online? So on Printful, you're just going to have to click on Start Selling, and that is how you're going to start selling. Basically, just follow all of these steps because we don't want to go through that one by one anymore, since you already know how to do that. So make sure you try all of those out. Do it as many as you can, make as many products as you can, as many photos as you can, to make the most money possible, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.